One more problem. Solving a problem about a rectangle's area. An architect is allowed no more than 15 square meters to add a small bedroom to a house. Because of the room's design in relationship to the existing structure, the width of its rectangular floor must be 7 meters less than 2 times the length. Find the precise length and width of the rectangular floor of maximum area that the architect is permitted. Now, if you go through that real quick, you know you've got a room. It's got 4 sides, so that's about it. So let's go back in. It says the width of its rectangular floor must be 7 meters less than 2 times the length. So I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to let this be X, because normally you think of length here. Now, why I let X be length is anytime they start giving you information like this, whatever's at the very end of the description, let that be X. So I'm going to mark out those words. I'm going to put X in its place. Now they tell me about the width, so here's my width of its rectangular floor must be, so equals 7 meters less than. A than is a reversal in order, so I've got minus 7, 2 times X. So a less than, more than, it's a reversal in order in how you write it down. But the key to this is going to the very end of what they're describing to you in terms of something else. So that something else, let it be X. So there's my room with my width and my length. So my length is X, my width is that. Now it says to write an equation. Now it says an architect is allowed no more than 15 square meters. Guys, square meters is area. For you to find area, you have to have length times width. So now my area, my length is X, my width is 2X minus 7. One more piece that I know is that my area is 15. So I've got myself an equation, haven't done much to it, I just came up with it. Now to solve the equation, let me multiply through. I like to keep that positive, so I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. This is one of those AC methods that we're going to have to take a little bit of time on. So 2 times negative 15 is a negative 30. That's the pairing I need, except my signs need to be opposite. Set them individually equal to 0. Now, since the length and width is referring to meters here, okay, my negative 3/2 doesn't make any sense. But X equals 5 does. So let me go, I'm sorry, I got to go back up here. So X, my length would be 5 meters. My width So to answer the question, the length of the bedroom would be 5 meters, and the width would be 3 meters. They did say a small bedroom, and that is. So that's it for this chapter. So get ready for these.